What's up guys, Nick Rapazzi here. Welcome to the NR Motorsports YouTube channel. So today we're gonna try and get the frame rails in. It's just we have to get in and get this metal out. So this shit's a lot thicker than this stuff. This stuff was hard enough to sand out, but this is all plug welded in here as well, and there's a bunch of rust up and behind here. So I definitely don't want to leave this. I don't want to spray over it because you can see it's rotted through right in there, and then all this shit is bad too. So I think what I might do is get this all cleaned up, and then we will seal this off completely and cut pretty much all this bad metal, because I just don't want to put an obstacle in the way so it makes it harder to get this shit out. So we're gonna get this out before we get the frame rail in, then we'll come back, do the frame rail, and then we'll replace this entire sheet right here. I'm gonna have to look at this area and what I'm gonna have to cut out for here, because we are replacing this entire thing as well. So I might have to turn the car down and replace this rear like quarter panel area first before we get anything done. But I definitely want to get all this shit out of here, and then we'll get the frame rail in. I gotta weld this inside here as well, so this is completely sealed off, and then clean up that shit too. So yeah, we got a bunch of work today. Let's get to it, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Alright guys, so just off camera, I've just been cleaning up stuff, getting the other metal that was here out, and cleaning up in this area. I gotta cut a little bit more stuff out, but I was going to remove this because it was just easier to do this up top with no frame rail being in here. But then I noticed when they did this bumper, so if you see I don't know if you could see on camera here, but it's, I don't know, less than an inch. That's what the weld is holding this whole rear bumper to this car. So thankfully I already put this support in to hold it to this, but I want to get this frame rail back connected tonight to make sure that this is at least so it's like tack welded in and giving some structure to this, just so it's giving more structure to this entire car, because this is welded on right here on this rear bumper, and then like these tiny fucking welds, and this is what's holding this together right now. So I want to get this at least secure tonight. So I'm measuring out the pieces right now, so we're gonna make the frame rail, and then I'm gonna get in here, fix these holes, weld this up, weld this solid. We'll paint this with the steel it, and then we'll get all the pieces in. So we'll time lapse this. Alright guys, as you can see, we've been plugging away in the time lapse. We got the first frame rail in, I got the second one coming in down, and then I got the third and final piece that's going right in here in. So once this, we just sprayed it with Steel It, so I'm gonna give that another like 2 minutes to dry. Then we'll get that last piece in there, and then I'm pretty much gonna call it a night after that, because I think it's like 1 in the morning already. So let me set you guys back up. I probably won't do the last ending part. I'll just straight record this. So yeah, let me set you guys up on that. All right, dude, so we're just gonna leave it at that. Everything's tacked, so this way I can come in here tomorrow, I'm gonna clean up and we'll get this all finished up. But yeah, I'm glad all this fuel, let me pull you off the stand here and show you the full frame rail. Actually, I'll keep you guys on here. Just lower this down and hold it, because I can do this with the GoPro on top here too. All right, so this is the other frame rail that we put in probably like 3 or 4 days ago. So everything's connected in right here. This was all rotted out. I don't know if you can see down here, but that's what the old frame rail looked like. And I'm not really worried about it being completely stock. I'd rather be this stronger shit anyway. So yeah, we got this full piece in, this piece in, here's in, and then there's like a hole right in here. So on this part right here, I have thicker sheet metal, and we're gonna connect it all the way through here just to give it a bunch of strength inside of here. And then again, when I come in and fix this right here, I'm cutting this whole piece out. I'm gonna reinforce inside and then put a thicker piece of metal in there too. So all this is gonna be a lot stronger and hopefully better, but time will tell. Yeah, that's it for tonight. Thanks for stopping by and check in. It's probably gonna be Saturday. I'll be here Saturday night, so I'll see y'all later. Peace.